Hey everyone, so this week we've got a really exciting delivery we want to show you, and obviously as you guys are watching this, it is Saturday. We didn't get the video up in time for Friday, unfortunately. We were really busy here around the shop, and Haley, our content creator who is behind the camera right now, was really sick. She actually had strep throat, so obviously making videos was not an option for her. She needed to rest, but we're here now. Today it's actually Friday, and that's when the delivery is happening. So we want to show you guys this whole process of the delivery. It's actually kind of a special table for us because it has some of the most expensive legs we've ever done. And we just want to give you guys an in-depth look of what it takes to get a table from our shop here safely into our client's home. So we'll start by pulling the slab out. We're going to test fit the legs, then we're going to head down and show you the whole process. So this is the tabletop here. It's actually a piece of Claro walnut. Now, for those of you who are familiar with our work, you know that we do lots of work in Claro walnut. It's essentially the difference between Claro and regular walnut is Claro walnut only really grows in California because of the different soil that's down there, so it's really rare for that reason, but you also get a lot nicer colors and just really interesting grain in the Claro. You get these reds and oranges that you don't really get to see in the black walnut, and the Claro walnut slabs that we are able to source tend to get cut a lot thicker, so you get a nice beefy tabletop. We've already got the inserts in. Now we're just going to lift these solid brass legs up and we'll see how it fits. Should be perfect. What we're looking for here, like the other inserts we had, if you guys check these out. Now these are all from Rampa. These inserts are about 40 millimeters long. So the reason we don't want to use these is, I'll show you, once we put them in the table and start to screw them in, they bottom out. They can only go that far in. So that's not far enough for us to be able to attach the legs. So to fix that, all we do is we grab these inserts, and they just ship them to us. These are 25 millimeter long inserts. So these won't bottom out when we go to attach our legs.
There. Just make that my theme song.
Do we want to take these off? Once we get there, we will.
The table's loaded in the truck, so we've got there's the solid brass legs. We've got them all with the threaded inserts to get it attached together. We're gonna head off now. It's only about a 5-10 minute drive away, so it's not too bad. Joe keeps making faces and hand movements at me. One thing too though, you guys might notice, it's super smoky out right now actually. It's not the camera, it's not a bad camera, it's just really smoky. There's some fires here in Alberta, so you guys will just kind of have to bear with that while we're filming outside. Just made it on site, so we're gonna pull the table out now. You can see the beautiful view that you can see today. Obviously the smoke's covering all that up, but it's going in here. So we actually, up there is where the table goes, so we got to go in through this door, take it up the stairs, and then load it in. But it's a really nice house, so I think you guys are gonna like this.
Really good.
On the leg.
Okay, 3 on each end, guys.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'll sneak to the middle.
Okay. Or us on one end and Haley on the other. She can do it. Okay. We gotta pick it up first and then tilt her up, boys. Okay. There you You gotta get underneath it, Gar. Really good. Yeah. Okay. Haley, how's the camera? Is it getting heavy? That open space first. Right there. Okay. Like that?
We'll adjust it. Let's sit it down.
Okay.
The table is in. Check this out, you guys. This is just so cool. So here it is, the Clara walnut tabletop, solid brass inlays in here, and then also getting paired with these solid brass legs. So just a really, really stunning package. You know, I love things like this where we can pick up little details in the tabletop and actually make them match in the base. So there's an inlay there. There's an inlay here. 3 inlays here, 1 on the end. Joe did all of these. They were kind of tricky, eh? Yeah, because the brass, you have to, if you're doing a wood bow tie, you can kind of wedge it, right? But the brass has to be perfectly fit, so Joe had to sit there and by hand cut these 100% perfect, and he did, and it looks absolutely amazing. So we're really pleased how this one went. You know, it's always a pleasure for us when we get clients who let us build such beautiful pieces like this, so we couldn't be happier. We're gonna set these chairs up just to see how it looks. We'll show you guys that, but then it's back to the shop.
Do we want up on the end?
That delivery went really, really good actually. We had no hiccups getting it in. You know, it was a little tricky going up those stairs and squeezing in between the door just because the table's so heavy. What, Sagar? I think we only had like an inch on each side.
Inch on each side, yeah.
Yeah, Sagar was there too. There was like an inch on each side, so we didn't have a lot of room to spare, but we got it in, we got it up the stairs, and you know, we knew he was happy with it, but then he actually, as on our way out, he told me that he wants us to do another table for him. So we went downstairs into the basement, we measured up his existing table. He actually wants to get one a little bigger. So we're gonna be doing another custom piece for this gentleman. And we love clients like that we can leave such a good impression on them that they wanna come back to us in the future. But that's what we have for you guys this week. That was the delivery of the solid brass table. I know you guys are gonna ask, so I'll say it now. It was a $15,000 table. And we will see you guys next week for next week's video. Have a great day.